Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado LT Duramax. This one features the all-new, well, for last year, 3-liter inline-6 turbo diesel where you can add your DEF here and your diesel in there. That was actually quite cold. And honestly, I think this might be one of the best engine options out there. The light-duty diesel pickup trucks are starting to really grow in popularity. And they are a ton of fun to drive. So you can use that side step to step on into the cab. Honestly, it looks great. Total price of $49,760. The Duramax 3-liter is $2,400. Trailer brake control, all-terrain tires are the only options on this one. What is this? Black over jet black. Of course, being the crew, has the large rear seat area. Go ahead, pop the hood so you can check out the 3-liter turbo diesel. There it is. Not too loud at all. I do believe that right there is your turbo, that big turbo right there. I'm like 99% sure. Here's your intake. So air comes in through the grill, comes up and into your air box, goes then into here and through the turbo and fun stuff. Honestly, this is a perfect truck for somebody, and even though it's almost $50,000, I'm sure that you can get some rebates off of these. Sliding visor. LEDs, of course. All right, let's go for a drive. Couple different modes: tow haul, sport, off-road, normal. But we'll go to sport. Weights up the steering, like makes it a little bit heavier, increases throttle response, and changes transmission tuning. Speaking of which, this is your 10-speed automatic. In case you're curious, this is your key for the 2021 Silverado in the LT and above trims. Nice little cube. Do have auto start stop. You can disable that right. Those Genesis, man, they are quick. This button lowers all of your windows. This shuts off your traction control, and if you hold it, it shuts off ESC under 30 miles an hour. That's a Cayenne with carbon ceramic brakes. Come on. In case you don't know what carbon ceramic brakes are, they're like a $10,000 option. For Ferraris, it's $7 to $10 grand a rotor if you break one. That's why I freak out when I see them. Not a lot can beat the torque that this thing has. I think it's something like 280 horsepower, give or take, but a little over 400 foot-pounds of torque. It's pretty impressive, to say the absolute least. Speaking of impressive, the brakes, they work. Poor camera bag. Poor drill. Speaking of, if you're wondering what I use the drill for, it's to take the plates on and off. This also folds up to make a bench seat. So you can see you have your seatbelt here. Handles really, really well, and the torque that the diesel provides, just rockets it out of corners. Honestly, this thing, you don't need a V8. This thing is just absolutely perfect the way it sits. And yes, I'm going to park because I need to fix that. It's all my stuff. Just fell on the floor. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.